Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now, as you can probably already tell by the title, today's video is going to be a Kmart activewear haul. Now, this video was kind of a last minute decision. I wasn't planning on doing it, but I did go to Kmart on two separate occasions and spend some money on some activewear. And to be quite honest with you guys, I am super impressed with the quality of the activewear from Kmart. So if you are wanting to buy some new gym wear, but on a budget, I would definitely head down to Kmart, because like, who the hell doesn't like Kmart? Kmart is literal life, and if you don't like Kmart, well then I don't think we can be friends. No, I'm totally joking. And if you guys are keen to see what I got, then let's keep on watching. Okay, so I will excuse the no makeup today. I literally just did a workout, so I could not be bothered with doing my makeup for this video. I just thought I'd get straight into it, especially because I did have everything laid out on my bed ready to go. So the first item that I did purchase, I am wearing right now. It is the Everlast brand. Now, like I said, I had gone to Kmart on two separate occasions. So last week I went and I didn't purchase any Everlast stuff. Actually, no, I lied. I did get a shirt and whatnot, but I didn't get any gym wear because I was kind of like, there's tights for $12, $15, and then there's tights for $20, $25. Let's go for the cheap ones first and see how they go. But then when I went back this week to get some more, I picked up some Everlast stuff. So this is the crop that I got. I will show you in a different display of me wearing it and what it looks like on, but it is just a basic sports bra. It's black with grey marble on it, and it has your Everlast logo on the front. Really supportive. The back is just like a standard crisscross sports bra, I guess. So very simple, but very comfortable. Now, I can't remember exactly the prices of all this stuff, guys, and I did chuck out the receipt, which I should have kept, but like I had said before, I wasn't really planning on making a video out of this. But the crop top I think was about $8 or $10, and then the tights that I got with it that I will show in the next video were $20. And let me tell you this, they are not squat proof. With all my other Kmart tights that I did get that aren't Everlast brand, they are squat proof. So I find that quite funny how a pair of tights that can be $10, $15 as opposed to Everlast, which is quite a well-known brand, squat proof. And to be honest with you, they're not that see-through, and I really should have checked before I bought them, but I was just in the zone, getting in, grabbing my shit and leaving. But they're not. They are a little bit see-through. More so, you can just see the tag when you squat. But if you are training, you know, back or arms that day, totally fine. Super cute set. The tights themselves are super comfortable. I got a size 8 in practically everything. I think in this crop I might have got a 6, but I can go between a 6 or an 8. And I also do have fake boobs, so they do fit in there fine, but you know, everybody's frame is a little bit different. But yeah, super happy with the cut. They are quite flattering. They suck me in all the right places. The band around the waist is not too tight. So I know with some brands they are really tight. They sort of create like a bulge on the torso stomach area, but these definitely don't do that. And I think this is probably my favorite set out of all of them, minus the fact that they aren't squat proof. But other than that, I absolutely love them. Okay, so going on to some sports bras that I picked up. I picked up this peach sports bra. Now, I did get this on a different occasion once again, so I don't know if it actually is in Kmart anymore. I'm sure you could probably get it online, but just in a size 8, just cotton, standard sports bra, and I believe that they were around $5. I also picked up the exact same one in a bright pink color, and then I also picked up this sort of like blue, aquary bluey greeny turquoise, I don't know, whatever one you want to say, sports bra. It kind of has that really like I don't know, like that faded denim kind of like pattern to it, I guess. But this one has a crisscross at the back, which I think is super cute. And this was, I believe, $5 or $8 in between those. But in the video that I'm showing you, I have just paired it with my black Everlast tights. So these ones are different to the marble ones, same brand obviously, but just plain black. Same thing, they are not squat proof, but doesn't bother me. They have the Everlast logo down the leg and same band around the waist, and super comfortable, and yeah, they just look really flattering on the body. So I thought I could pair the black pair with the blue crop top, or you could even pair it with any of the other colors that you do have as well, but you can't go wrong with just a plain black pair of leggings really. The next outfit that I had got is the same as the blue turquoise sports bra, but it is a black one. Same at the back, crisscross, which I think is super cute. They don't have any padding in them, so if that is an issue for you, then I would stay away from these type of styles. They do have padding in some of their sports bras from Kmart, and they're pretty much the same price, so it does not matter. I personally don't care. I've got fake boobs. They move, but they don't move like natural boobs, and I'm all about free the nip. I don't give a shit if anybody has anything to say about that, because like, we are born with these nipples, so we embrace the nipples, you know. But yeah, so I really love this. It is supportive. I would say though, over time the straps would get quite loose after washing it numerous times and you would lose the support, but for $5 to $8 really, you can't complain. So I thought I could pair the black crop top with either or leggings that I have here. So these are a navy blue high-waisted activewear legging. You could wear it day-to-day cash legging if you wanted to. I don't see the difference in why not. The material is different to the Everlast. The Everlast is like that spandexy, like the actual activewear material, where these are just cotton. So if you are going to be sweating numerous amounts, you are going to get sweat patches, but hey, we're at the gym, who gives a shit? This is in a size 8 as well, and I really like it because they have little pockets in them. Where's the pocket? There. So at the front it's got like a little pocket. It's not very big. You could probably just put coins or something in there, or your keys, or I don't know. But I just thought that was a cute little add to it. You know, they're not just basic leggings. But they're a solid navy blue color on the leg, and then around the waistband they have that sort of like faded denim pattern to them. But really, really nice, very, very comfortable. Size 8 fits me like a charm. The length of them are great, and yeah, all around think they're a great set of tights. And I believe that these were $10 to $15 in between that price range. So I thought we could pair in the video that you can see the navy blue tights with the black crop top, and then I also picked up this Everlast singlet, which was on sale for $3. It's not my size. I think I got it in a size 12, but I generally will tie it up around the front anyway, or tuck it in, so it did not matter to me. And the logo itself was in like a dark navy blue, so I thought you could easily pair that with the navy blue tights, or you could pair it with black tights. You could really do whatever you want. But for $3, hello, you really cannot complain. On to the next outfit. I am going to still pair the black crop top with the next set of tights, because I don't know why not. But these set of tights are still in a cotton material, and this is what they look like. Exact same size as what I had got in the previous tights, cotton, and they kind of have like, I can't explain the pattern on them. It's kind of like a marble pattern, but with like dots all over it. I think it's super cute. Same thing, comes with pocket, but a pocket at the back, so it's got a zip there, and you could fit whatever you wanted in there, which I think is super cute. It just adds to the basicness of just standard tights. It just gives a little oomph. Yeah, like I said, same band thickness around the waist. Fits really, really lovely. The best part about having pattern tights is, and especially when they are cotton, if you do have sweat, you don't really notice it because of the patterns. And both of those tights are squat proof. Now the next outfit that I got this Everlast sports bra, and I love the back because it's kind of got like that mesh stocking panel kind of pattern, and it's got the Everlast logo at the front in that I'm terrible with like materials and stuff. I not a sewer or, you know, any of that, so I really don't know what the material is, but yeah, it just looks like that. And super comfortable in this one. I really like it. It's probably one of my favorite sports bras out of all of them, and I believe this was about $8 as well. And I thought I could pair them with these leggings, also obviously from Kmart, and these ones are super comfortable as well. They're kind of in that type of material. Has a black stripe going down the leg, and then when you hit the ankle at the back, it actually has like a mesh panel, which I think it just adds a little something to the leggings. But this is in like your actual activewear material, so it is going to absorb any sweat when you do sweat, and once again, squat proof. So in my video, I've obviously paired that with the Everlast sports bra, but I also did pick up some activewear trackies pretty much. So the track pants just look like this. They have like a white panel leading into black on the side of the leg, and they're really just a standard track pant. They're nothing, you know, crazy. I wouldn't say they're like high-waisted, but I yank them up anyway and stitch in the I cinch in the waist just to give you a bit more shape. But I thought, you know, on a cold morning when you're going out for a jog or something like that, trackies are always cute. Or even if you're just doing yoga or Pilates or something like that, trackies are always comfortable. So yeah, they were the only track pants that I did get in the activewear section. Okay, so the next little outfit that I got is a crop with little booty shorts. Now the booty shorts look like this, and they are in a grey leopard print style. These are high-waisted, and I got these in a size 8 again. Super flattering on the body, hug me in the right places. They're stretchy as well, so you do get some movement in them, and yeah, they're just a basic booty short pretty much. And they also come with the matching crop top, which is really cute, and the back crosses across like that, has little straps, super supportive. I think I got this in a size 6, so I do find the band on this one is a little bit tight, but after a few stretches or a wash, then you're totally good to go. Now for the next outfit, I got this little number here, which is another sports bra. And this one has like a mesh paneling at the back, which I think is really cute. Got this one in a size 6, and this one does have your padding. And if I recall the price correctly, I'm pretty sure it was the same price as your previous sports bras that don't have padding. So I think that is awesome. You're getting padding without having to pay for it, which is great. Super supportive. Kind of has like a little split at the back too, which just adds a little bit something more to it. It is low cut, but not too low cut where your whole boobs are falling out. In saying that, I do have fake boobs, so you know, be mindful of that, I guess, but you can always try it on before you do buy. So I thought I would pair this little sports bra with these leggings that have hair all over them, so excuse that. These ones here are cotton leggings, again in the active section, and what I like that is a little bit different about this pair is the waistline actually goes in diagonally, which I think is flattering on my body type. It just stops it from feeling so straight across and square, so I thought that was kind of cute. And on the side it has some grey paneling, so it goes from like a deep grey into a light grey. High-waisted again, cotton, not see-through whatsoever, so definitely squat proof. And yeah, I thought that these two would go really good together. I also did pick up a singlet that you could pair with that, or you could pair with anything, it doesn't really matter. And this one was $8, and it just looks like that. It's just like your khaki kind of colour with grey symbols on it. I don't even know what it says. It says inhale, exhale. There you go. This is kind of like see-through, but when you are wearing singlets or shirts and stuff to the gym, you do want something that's a little bit more lightweight. So I thought that was cute, and that was $8. I also then did pick up just an activewear hoodie. I'm pretty sure they were like $10 or $15. Just got a plain black one in a size 10. You know, you can't go wrong with just a standard black hoodie, especially when you're going running or something like that and it's cold in the mornings, or just a chuck over, you know, you can't really go wrong. And they're so soft too. Like, I love Kmart hoodies. I just think they are so good. Okay, so the last outfit that I did get is just another standard plain black crop sports bra, same as the pink and peach ones that I had showed previously. Just standard, you know, same old, same old. I believe that was $5 to $8. And then I picked up these leggings to go with it. These are hands down the best leggings, tights, activewear tights, whatever, from Kmart that I have ever purchased. They are all fantastic, do not get me wrong, but the material of these are like your proper activewear material, and the fit and everything is just immaculate. So these ones are in a dark navy blue as well. The band is straight across at the top, but it's quite a thick band, super high-waisted, and on this side it's full basic until it gets to the ankle, and the ankle just has like a white, peach and green little design on it. Now, I don't know what it is, it's just these fit so incredible, and they are so squat proof. Like, this is where I found it so ironic that this pair were literally $12 or $15 and they are super thick. Like, the quality is amazing. They're squat proof and they're a basic one color too. Like, that's usually when you will see through cheaper made tights. But these were just incredible as opposed to the Everlast ones. I paid double the amount and they're not squat proof. So I just find that, you know, ironic. And activewear these days are so expensive, and don't get me wrong, I still love all the designs and I love Lorna Jane. I've got Lorna Jane in my cupboard. Like, I love all that kind of stuff. But, you know, like, for me, I bought like 6 different outfits. I've stocked up on so many different things and I spent under $200. So I think that is super affordable. And yeah, all round amazing, especially if you are wearing your gym wear a lot. You know, you're going to get a good amount of use and you can go and buy a whole new lot if you want, and it's not going to cost you or break the bank. So that is really cool. And then the very last item I got was this hat. I have a few hats, but I wanted just a plain black one, and it was like $5 or something ridiculous. And you know, when I'm going for runs and stuff, I like to just put a hat on, and I feel like it just ties the outfit all together. And yeah, can't go wrong with just a plain black hat. If you are going to go to Kmart for some activewear, make sure you head straight to the activewear aisle, grab your shit and leave. Because if you're like me, you'll start wandering around the whole shop and your basket will just get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And then you'll get to the counter and then you'll scan it all, and then you'll look at the total, and then you'll nearly break down and cry. And then when you walk out, you'll sort of feel relieved and excited and happy, but at the same time you'll feel really depressed because you went in and wanted, you know, one category of things and you've walked out with 20. So yeah, keep that in mind because that's my life problem every time I go there. But yeah, good on you, Kmart. Okay, so that's all we have for today, guys. No doubt in future I will have more Kmart hauls. I wouldn't mind even showing you guys like a room tour because my room is pretty much just decked out in Kmart interior. And yeah, you know, do it DIY. I'm super into that, you know, buying little things from Kmart and turning into other things and just making things look more glamorous and expensive than what they really are. I'm a big believer in you don't always get what you pay for. I do believe in some things in life, that's definitely the way it is, but not everything. So be open-minded and, you know, just go with it and see what you can do. But thank you guys for watching. Please, if you liked this video or you like me, like and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you turn on your notifications because YouTube have just fully changed everything now, so people don't get notified when we post. So definitely get on to that, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.